Hey guys, it's Allison. So today is going to be this fall makeup tutorial, and it is simple like this. It kind of looks kind of summerish, Thanksgiving-ish, fallish, I don't know. But it just looks like this, and it's really easy. It's used with one palette and one palette only. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, and turn on post notifications to get update every time I post a new video. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows and I concealed them. I moisturized my face to prep it for later on. And sorry about my bun, it's kind of lopsided. So I'm going to start off with my eyes, obviously. And since this is a fall makeup tutorial, I wanted to do something fallish, try to do something different. So obviously I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is my favorite palette. It just has every shade you need, basically. I think so. So it has the colors in the back. So I'm gonna start off with Creamsicle, and it's the yellow shade, and just put it on my crease for the first shade. So I don't know if you see the yellow shade, but I'm just gonna kind of deepen it up a little bit more with the yellow shade to kind of make it more vibrant and make it pop a little bit more. By the way, this is a Morphe brush, but I don't know what it's called. It just says Morphe on it. And then I'm using another Morphe brush, and I'm gonna go in with Hunts, and it's kind of like an orangish, reddish shade. Put it on my crease. This kind of reminds me of fire, a sunset look, Thanksgiving, I don't know, everything like that. But I'm gonna blend more, don't worry, but that's how it just looks so far. So with another Morphe brush, it's just like this kind of pointer brush. I'm gonna use the shade Jax, and it's Jacz, and I'm gonna put it on just the outer corner. I'm gonna use this brush, and I don't know where it's from, but I'm just gonna use it as to blend everything together. Better of a stranger. I don't like how the yellow barely shows up. I want the yellow to show. So annoying. For the lid, I want to use like a copper tone color. So I might use this color in this Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. This is called Sugar Coated. I'm just gonna use it on my lid and see how it looks, and if not, I'll just go in with something on the Jaclyn Hill palette. Believe me when I say, loving me is loving danger. Your heart is bound to break. I walk alone in the night. So I use Sugar Coat, but it kind of blended in with the red and stuff like that. So I'm gonna use the color Citrus, and it's this color, and I'm just gonna put that on top. So it kind of looks like that. Oh, I hate the shadow on the back. Okay, I got rid of the shadow behind me. That's how it looks. Pretty simple. I'm gonna move on to my face, and then I'll go back to lashes. But on my face, I have the Tarte H2O moisturizer on, and then I'm gonna do my face. So I'm gonna put my foundation, my concealer, and I'll be right back. I also did my powder, and also, by the way guys, if you want a foundation routine, I'll do that for you. It's pretty easy. That's why I didn't want to show it on camera, because I use the same products every time. I try to use different products, but I end up using the same products. I'm gonna move on to bronzer. Today is the Anastasia powder bronzer in Saddle. Love this bronzer. I'm just gonna bronze my face up. This is just a Flawless Face brush from Bare Minerals. Neath the pale moon, loving's for the fools. Baby, beware of my body. I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf. So after my bronzer, I'm gonna put on blush. This is new, I just bought it. And this is the Nika K New York Blush Duo, and it looks like that. Just wanted to try a new blush. What can go wrong for $1.99? I'm gonna use the same blush brush that I always use, and I'm gonna dig into both. Oh, I'm gonna look like a clown after this, guys. Oh my god. What I think about this blush, it picked up a lot here, so it's grabbing onto something on my cheek right here. So I'm gonna fix that up. It's kind of grabbing onto like my pimples or something. I don't even know. I guess I just got hired for the circus because this blush on the front is not looking pretty. How do you feel about the blush, guys? Like, is it bad? Is it good? I don't even know. Oh, for highlighter, this is my favorite. This is the Mary Luminizer. I'm just gonna put it on my cheekbones. I'm a lone wolf. I'm gonna put more bronzer because the blush is like really intense. Hopefully I don't make myself look like a mud, but so I'm gonna use lashes today. I don't know, I'm starting to love lashes, but yeah. So I don't know, I got this from my local beauty supply store, and they're called Cara eyelashes, and supposedly they're 100% human hair, and it was $1.99, but I don't know. But I'm gonna use these and see if they're good or not. They're made in Indonesia, it says. I don't even know which one is for which. I think I found the right one for the right eye, so we're just gonna apply the dual eyelash glue. Hopefully it sticks onto this band, because who knows. I usually use the Ardell lashes, so we're just gonna experiment with these lashes today. So this is what's happening. Let's see. It just looks flat. Hopefully this lash glue dries down because it doesn't look like it is. Let's just work with this eyelash right now. To be honest, I couldn't do my lashes. Those were really hard to put on. I usually put the Ardell lashes like in seconds. And by the way, for my inner corner, I used Main Squeeze, and it's this shade up here. It's like a silverish shade. And I'm just gonna go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and do the bottom lash line. So I'm gonna use my mascara, and it's a Colossal one, and do my eyelashes, and I'll be back. That was all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. It just turned out like this, just simple. There might be mascara marks somewhere along my eyes, but don't worry about that. That's just simple look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, and turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. So guys, I almost forgot to do a lip. I popped in real quick, and I'm gonna show you guys what I put on my lips. And sorry about my hair, it's just all over the place. But this is an Anastasia Beverly Hills like mini lipstick, and this one is in Dead Rose, and that's how it looks. It's kind of pinkish looking. And where's the gloss? And the gloss that, oh my god, those hairs. So the gloss that I'm using is this. Well, I used it in the middle, and this is the Buxom gloss, and this is in Sandy, and this is just a mini size. And yeah.